Alright, so we got us a new kitchen gadget, or man grill, as you may call it. This is the Texas Bird Bath grill fire pit, locally here, made in Fort Worth, Texas. I'll put a link down below in the comments. You can see where which company makes this. But if you look here, it comes with a regular grate for a grill. You can sit on top to grill whatever you want to grill. But today I have the wok, the Cowboy wok, set on here. It's nice and hot, and we're going to stir fry up some garden fresh stir fry. So let's take a look at what we got here. What we're going to do first is I like to use this stir fry oil here. This is one of my favorite oils. It's got the onion, garlic, and ginger infused stir fry oil. So what I like to do here is just pour a little bit in. You can see this wok is very hot. We're going to start with our chicken. Let that cook. I'm going to add a little bit of our garlic that we harvested recently. Oh yeah, that looks good, huh? This grill, you want this wok nice and hot, very, very hot. Let that chicken get cooked all the way through first. Then over here, this is our vegetables. You have over here our vegetables. We got us some different things from the vegetable garden. It's all from our garden: sugar snap peas, squash, zucchini, broccoli, Swiss chard, some green beans. We got a variety of peppers that we've picked. So we're going to stir fry all that up here in a second, as soon as the chicken gets cooked all the way. Alright, so now we're just going to add our vegetables in here. I'll just leave the chicken in. It's almost all the way cooked. Toss that in there a little bit. So we'll just let this cook and saute. This won't take but a couple of minutes to cook out. Try not to drop anything out of our pan. They also have these cool little spatulas and different utensils available. As you can see, this is almost ready. I like to use the lower sodium soy sauce. We'll put a little bit of that in there. No need to have the full strength soy sauce. You can see the Swiss chard is cooked down. Green beans are nice and tender. Peppers look good. Today we're using chicken, but I feel a little bad cooking chicken in front of the chickens next door over here, but you know, this is the food chain. We're at the top of the food chain. Stir-fry sauce, you can make your own. You can buy whatever stir-fry sauce you have. Put a little bit in there. Mix that in. So we're just going to stir that in, and it's easy as that. Ready. We'll just put it on our platter here. There you have it, stir fry. Alright, so now we're going to make a little fried rice. We got some rice already cooked, but we're going to start with the egg. A little bit of oil. Let that egg cook for a second. Now we're going to add our rice. A little bit of our fresh garlic. You can add veggies if you want in here. I just like to put some egg and some of the rice. And of course now the fire truck has to come. This literally takes just 2 seconds. And then I'll just add, I got a homemade stir-fry sauce we made here. It's got a few oyster sauce, soy sauce, and a few other ingredients. I'll just throw a little bit on there. Mix that in. And there you have it. Fried rice. There you have it, stir fry cowboy style, all fresh straight from our vegetable garden right behind me. So thanks for watching. There's just a quick demonstration of our new grill we got, and so stay tuned to subscribe to more to see our latest adventures in cooking and gardening.